Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Because I feel like I have lipstick on my teeth. I'm back. I know. I do this every year. I take a 6-month sabbatical from YouTube, but I'm back. Kishispirit Eye Makeup here to do another video for you. Anyways, I'm in my new studio, okay? Today, I'm going to be doing a new trend. It's called the Foxy Eye. I believe it's a look that Gigi Hadid did, but I think it's been around for a long time, but it's just like a trend right now. So I thought I would try it and show you guys how to do it. If you want to see the Foxy Eye look, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start with the eyes. As you can see, I already did my brows off camera because that's not what the video is about. I'm using quite a few palettes here. I'm using my Motives Maven's Element palette. It's like this neutral palette here with a little pop of color in there. And also my Norvina palette that I just got that I'm so excited about. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So here's the Norvina palette that I'm going to be using for this fox eye today. And I'm going to create my foxy look. Just a line of demarcation because I want to be able to give myself this nice little facelift, and I'm starting like from my lower lash line. I'm gonna pat that in along.
It's kind of quiet in here. Cue the music.
I'm going to now blend this color over my lid to kind of give it a more mattifying look. Tapered brush, back to C3, that was B5, going back to C3, and I'm going to buff that over my lid. I'm going to go up a little bit, a little higher. I'm just kind of following my little line that I already made in the beginning. Clean the excess off my brush, and then I'm going to go in with another color. You want to always clean the excess off because you don't want for it to create a muddy look. I'm going to go in with this color E2, and I'm going to go right. I'm going to keep this close to my lash line. I want it to get kind of gradiently darker as I get closer There we go. And I'm going to take this black in the Motives palette that I showed you guys. I'm going to run that on the, as close to my lash line as possible. Then I'm gonna take my brush, my first brush that I was using, dip back into C5 in my Norvina palette, and blend. I'm actually gonna dip into C5 and E2. And then I'm gonna blend that blacks in some more, buff this into the black. Because again, you want a gradient look, a gradient effect. And then the lash is what pulls this all together as well. I'm going to go back into this first color B5 and tone this down a little bit. And that is it for the eyes. And I am using the Motives foundation. It's like a liquid foundation by Motives for Lala Anthony, that is. Pour a little bit on the mirror here, and I'm just going in. Now we try to look young. I forgot to get my contour stuff. Okay, so I had to do my chin here. Been eating a lot of carbs during this quarantine, guys. It's not good for you. Face contoured now, so time to blend in the concealer. Hold on. The snatcher roof has got to be perfect. Now I'm gonna try that nose job. Lift it. Yes, facelift. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and go on the sides here. Can't see. Ooh, yes. Yes, that is looking good. Looking snatched. I'm looking young and snatched, honey. Now, I'm going to set. Take my widow sponge. Make sure now I am not going to be gentle. I'm going to be very generous down here because I have a lot to offer down there. A lot.
And there is the final look, lovies. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video if you want to see more like it. Also comment, let me know what you would like to see. I will post everything that I used in this video down in the description bar below. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.